I hope so I'm audible. Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Yeah. Okay then. So last class we had completed up to elimination method, isn't it? So people who have not attended the class, you can check it out in the YouTube. This class we are going to start with one more method known as cross multiplication method. Okay. So take down the heading as cross multiplication, and I'll just explain you. It's again a very easy method. Okay. So let's take down the heading as cross multiplication method. So what is this cross multiplication method? It's again a simplified formula. Okay. This method is actually derived from the elimination method. Okay, elimination method use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ method ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? There are many ways to remember the formula. I'll give you all the different ways. Okay, let me start with the easiest way. Okay, the easiest way is remembering the formula. What is the formula? There is a formula to find the x value, and there is a formula to find the y value. What is the formula to find the y value? B1 C2 minus B2 C1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. This is the formula to find x value. Basically what we are trying to find is x and y alva. So x na kandidakke, this is the formula. Excuse me. So to find y, C1 A2 minus C2 A1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Okay, this is the formula to find y. How can you remember this formula? There's a small trick for it. There are two tricks actually. One is a very easy one. Okay, if you observe the denominator here, it is same, right? A1 B2 A2 B1, A1 B2 A2 B1. Whether it is x or y, the denominator is same. Okay, now how to remember this? The numerator part. I hope everyone knows there is a course known as BCA course. Yeah, remember that. Okay, if you observe to find x value, just use this BC. Observe BC BC 1 to ulta 2 1. That's how you write the formula 1 2 2 1. Next for y you take the other part CA 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 1 2 2 1 ulta. In the denominator it is same A1 B2 A2 B1 A1 B2 A2 B1. Okay. So numerator ಏನಿದೆ denominator ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. This is one way which I feel it is very easy. That is how I remember. I just think of the course BCA. Okay, x ಕಂಡಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ BC ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಎರಡು ಸತಿ 1 2 2 1. BC BC 1 2 2 1. Denominator ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ A1 B2 A2 B1 A1 B2 A2 B1. For x and y both it is same. In case of y it is C1 A2 C2 A1. This is one more method. Why actually the name comes cross multiplication is, let's take the general form. Can anyone tell me what is the general form of pair of linear equation? Linear equation ge on general form barside alva?
Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0.
Yeah, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is for one equation. But when I'm talking about pair of linear equation, it is like this: a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Okay. Say suppose let me take the coefficients in this order. B1, B2. E order B1, B2, C1, C2, A1, A2. Again, I'll end up with B1, B2. Okay. This is just a small trick to remember. Okay. See here, just cross multiply B1, C2, B2, C1. B1 into C2 minus B2 into C1. That gives you the numerator of x. Denominator use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. The first two gives the numerator of the x. The last two gives you the denominator of x. A1, B2, A2, B1. This is for the denominator. This is to find x. The middle part gives you y. C1, A2, C2, A1. That is why you get the name cross multiplication. Anything, you can go with anything, okay? But then at the end of the day, you have to remember this formula. To be precise, some of the schools would have done like this also. X divided by, I guess it is B1 C2 minus B2 C1 equals y divided by C1 A2 minus C2 A1 equal to 1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Would have done like this. Okay. This is the standard form anta ankobodu. Idana simplify madidre you will get this. So anyhow last ge illige bartira neevu. Anyhow we will be ending up at this formula. So instead of remembering this, which is a bit difficult, so what you can do is simply remember the formula. Formula na ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಾಕು. Easy alva formula na ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ. Very simple. X na ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು here. This is how I remember the formula from my childhood. Okay, just know this course called BCA. ಅದನ್ನ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. Okay, for x ಕಂಡಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ first two part use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. BC minus BC. Okay, 1 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. Next in the denominator it is AB. AB is very easy, right? AB minus AB 1 2 2 1. Okay, x ಕಂಡಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Y ಕಂಡಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ I use this part CA minus CA. What should I write? 1 2 2 1. So denominator remains the same. A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Okay, just write down these two formulas, put the heading as cross multiplication method and take down these formulas. Okay, then we'll solve some problems. Or you can also go with this cross multiplication which I told you, but be careful, you have to start with B1 B2 C1 C2 A1 A2 B1 B2. B in the start ಮಾಡಿ B ಎಲ್ಲ finish ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Cross multiply B1 C2 B2 C1. You will get C1 A2 C2 A1. You will get the numerator of y. Denominator is same, A1 B2 A2 B1. Take down this. We'll solve some problems.
Sir, last class I have a doubt.
Yes, sir, Shweta, tell me.
Sir, you have told 14 is the answer last class.
X is 14, y is 9.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But 1 second. Sir, 9x.
9x.
108 plus 18, sir. Answer 126 divided by 9.
126 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 14s are, isn't it? Therefore,
14 will be answer, sir.
X is 14, yeah.
But you have told we should minus 108 minus 18. You should do. You have told.
No, not necessary. I told it correctly, I guess. What was the equation? 9x plus
9x minus 2y is equals to 108.
108. 9x minus 2, y value is 9, equal to 108. 9x minus आगे रहते 2 9s are 18 equal to 108. ये minus 18 आंसर होता है plus 18. I remember I've told it as plus 18 itself, not minus 18. Isn't it? Just check it out. This is the way how I did it. And I told the answer also as 14. Okay, anyhow, that's okay. Now you got 14, right? Well and good. Yeah. Take down this formula. Let's solve some problems. Mute yourself. There is some disturbance from your end. Okay. And yeah, now it's fine. Yeah, let's do it. So you have to be very careful in this method. The RHS should always be 0. Okay, because this method alli derivation madbekadre RHS na 0 itkond madirtare. So the same procedure we have to do it. Okay. So from now onwards, remember the RHS should be 0. If it's not 0, please make it 0. Okay. Let's solve some question. Let's take a question. Take down 2x plus 3y equal to 17. 3x minus 2y equal to 6. I'll do one problem. Please observe. Please don't do it. Observe. Now, I told you in this method, in cross multiplication method, the RHS should be 0. But it's 0 idea. Illa 17 ide, 6 ide. What should you do? Transpose it to the other side so that the RHS will become 0. So 2x plus 3y equal to 17 anta ide. This 17 na transpose madana. The jump ಮಾಡ್ಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ plus 17 comes this will become minus 17 equal to there is nothing, take it as 0. Okay, similarly do it for the other one. You will be getting 3x minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Directly I have done it. Plus 6 is bandre minus 6 agutte. What is the next step? Please observe. I'm seeing some of you are writing. Basically I can see only 3 people who have kept your videos on. In that 3 people I can see some of them are writing. Okay, so others who are playing hide and seek with me, okay, I know you are behind the screen, but I just want to see your faces. It will be nice if I can see it. Yeah. So yeah, so the next step is you have to find the coefficients a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. Okay, a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. What is this a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2? These are nothing but the coefficients. A1 is coefficient of x, b1 bandu coefficient of y, c1 is the constant term. Andre x jote illi enide 2 ide, y jote 3 ide, separate agiro number yavadu minus 17. What is a2? A2 is 3, b2 is minus 2, c2 is minus 6. Now let's write down the formula for x. X is a formula, can anyone tell me? Or let me ask Diksha. Diksha, could you tell me the formula?
BC minus BC B1 C2 minus B2 C1.
Okay.
Divided by A1 B2
minus A2 B1.
A2 B1.
Now substitute the values. B1 is 3 ide, C2 is minus 6 ide within the brackets, minus B2 is minus 2 within the brackets. Negative idagala within the brackets barkoli. C1 enide minus 17. Just substitute the values. A1 enide 2 ide. B2 is minus 2 minus A2 is 3. B1 is also 3. Now multiply. 3 into minus 6 is minus 18. 3 into minus 6 is minus 18. Minus as here. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus is minus. 3 minus is there. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus. 17 2s are 34 divided by 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 minus 3 3s are 9. So let me do it here. X is equal to minus 18 minus 34. What will be the answer? Minus 52 divided by minus 13. Minus minus cancel agutte. 13 1s are 13 4s are. X is equal to 4. Okay na, x ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ y ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು ಆತರ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು were doing that in elimination method and substitution method. As soon as you find one value, you are substituting in this or this and finding the other value. Don't do it like that, okay? Because you have to use the formula. X ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, y ಗೂ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. I hope you can do that by yourself. It's very simple ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಮೂರೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, RHS 0 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು take the formulas, substitute and do it. That's it. Very easy. I'm not going to do much problems, 1 or 2 problems. Let's move quickly to the next exercise. Maybe the next to next class, to be precise, from the next week, have a graph book with you. So we're going to be plotting graphs. What, Sanika? Today you are not going to switch on the video.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Today your video is off.
Sir, I'm using PC.
Sorry?
I'm using PC, sir.
Okay. Okay. Nowadays, it's very easy, right? For most of the students, if the teacher asks, why didn't you attend the class, man? Sir, network issue. Simple, one word answer. Finish. You can't say anything. You can't even say he's lying. The same thing with the teacher. Okay, students, today I can't take the class. There is some network issue with me. Even the teacher can do the same thing. I wish I can see everyone's face in one video. I mean to say everyone's video is on for one class, one entire class. Okay, this is the first time I'm seeing Shrisha. Good evening, Shrisha. Good evening, Ashrita. Good to see. What about others? Shreya, Bhuvan, please find the value of y. The value of x is 4. Very simple. Use the value, use the formula for y. C1A2 minus C2A1 divided by A1B2 minus A2B1. Use that formula to find the value of y. This formula is actually derived from elimination method. Okay. So Shrisha has got the answer as 3. What about the others? Yeah, I guess 3 will be correct. 4 2s are 8, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 8, 17. Yeah, you can just verify. Question al haki, x jagdal, y jagdal haki in bandiro values na, LHS, RHS should become same. If they are same, then it's correct. Y value is 3, that's correct. People who didn't get it, I'll also solve it on the board. So the formula to find y is C1A2 minus C2A1 divided by A1B2 minus A2B1. C1 is what? Minus 17 within the brackets. A2 is 3 minus C2. C2 is minus 6. A1 B2 A2 B1 direct ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So 2 minus 2 same thing ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Denominator ಏನಿತ್ತು 2 minus 2 3 3. The same thing you get. So minus 51 plus 12 divided by minus 13, which is minus 39 by minus 3. Minus 39 by 13. 13 ones are 13 threes are. Therefore, you get the value of y as 3. Is that clear for everyone? Yeah.
Sir, how did you get minus 13, sir, in the denominator?
2 into minus, same thing, right? What we did here. ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲೋ. Same ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ denominator ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. 3 3s are 9. Minus 4 minus 9 is minus 13. Same thing. Okay then, let me give you 2 questions. Please solve it by cross multiplication method itself. Then let's move on to the other methods. Okay. I didn't write the question number. What will be the question number?
24.
23.
Okay, now it's
Now 24, yeah.
Yeah, now it's 24. Okay then. Let's do it. Okay, let me give you an easy one itself. X plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. That is 24. 25th one. 3x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. 4x plus 3y minus 47 equal to 0. So do those 2 problems. Simple, already RHS ಎಲ್ಲ 0 ಆಗಿದೆ. So ಏನು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. It's very easy. Find A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, substitute in the formula. For your reference, I will also write the formula. X is equal to BC minus BC. 1 2 ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಇವಾಗ 2 1. A1 B2 minus A2 B1. That is to find X. To find Y, C1 A2 minus C2 A1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. I have written it. Make it fast. Is it finished? Okay, some of you are sending the answers. You can also put it in the chat. Okay, good, good. Okay, Vanya, you can keep your video off, no problems. Madhura and Adish have got the same answer, then I guess it's correct. Yeah, fine. Minus 24, minus 5, minus 12 to minus 14. Okay. Okay, good, Srisha, good. Okay, good. So most of them have got, not most of them actually. I can see only 3 of them who have given the answers. Okay, why is 2? Okay, good, good, Madhura. What about others? Yogesh? Yogesh, are you getting it? Yeah, good, Manya, good. Just a minute.
Sir, can you do on the board?
Which problem?
Sir, 24.
Vishwas, it's correct. Charan, it's correct. And Adesh, what are you trying to say? Okay, one second, one second.
Sir, I got it, sir.
Okay. So does anyone want me to solve it on the board?
So why?
Why? Why? You're asking me why? Why should I solve? Or you asking me to solve why?
Why, sir? So why?
Solve why? It's like questioning why, sir? Why you will solve on the board? Okay. C1, A2. So what is C1? C1 is minus 12. A2 is, sorry, C1 is 1, A2 is 2. So it is 1 into 2. I'm doing it directly. C2, A1. C2 is minus 12. A1 is 1. So minus 12 into 1 divided by A1, B2. A1 is 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 2. I hope I'm doing it properly. 1 2s are 2. Minus into minus is plus. 12 ones are 12. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. 2 into 2 is 4. So it is 14 divided by minus 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are. Therefore, it is negative 2. You can get the negative sign in the denominator to the numerator. Therefore, the y value is minus 2 and the x value you should have got it as 3 for the first problem. Okay then. Finish with the third 24th one. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to -2. You can try out the 24th one. Okay, some of you are sending the answers. Let me check it out. 5.6. Madhura, I don't think it's correct, Madhura. Just check it out. Charan has got it as 5 and 9. You can check it out by substituting here itself. 5 illaki, 9 illaki. 5 3s are 15. 9 2s are 18. 15 minus 18 is -3. -3 plus 3 is 0. Yes, very good, Charan. It's correct. Excellent, Charan. You have to be very careful. RHS ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 0 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗಿದೆ. A1 B1 C1 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A1 is 3, x ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇದೆ. B1 is, do not write it as 2 with the sign. Y ಜೊತೆ ಏನಿದೆ -2. C1 is separate ಆಗಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು 3. A2 is 4, B2 is 3. separate ಆಗಿರೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವುದು -47 with the sign. Even if you miss a single sign, it will come wrong. So A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2. Next you have to find the value of x and y using the formula. Use the formula, you will get the answer. X is equal to 5, y is equal to 9. This is what you should get. Please check it out. What about Kirtana, Trisha, Sanjana, Chandana, Vishwas, Aryan, Liba, Neha, Shreya, Sanika? You guys getting the answers? Pragati? Is it clear or is there any confusion?
Sir, there's even something called formula method, no, sir.
That's in quadratic equation. We call it as formula method.
Okay.
Quadratic equation, you got formula method. Yeah, what about others? Is it clear? Whatever it is, sir, you keep doing it. We won't tell. Aryan. Okay, good, Vishwas, good. What Charin, you put some other answer, x is equal to 85. Why? What's that?
Sir, for 25th one, I got x value that only.
You have put one more value. You have put it as 5 and 9 before that. Okay, I'm sorry, it's Chandana. Chandana has done it. Yeah, good, Chandana. X is 5, y is 9. No, Charan, just check it out. You have done something wrong. Vishwas has got it correct. Madhura has got it correct. Good, Chandana, good. Check it out. A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2 have written. Write the formula for x. B1, C2 minus B2, C1 divided by A1, B2 minus A2, B1. Substitute B1 ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ -2 ಇದೆ. Write it. C2 ಏನಿದೆ -47 minus B2 ಏನಿದೆ 3. C1 is also 3. 3 into 3. And A1 is what? A1 is 3. A1 is 3. 1 second. A1 is 3. B2 is also 3. Minus 2, 4 and minus 2. Substitute the values. Now calculate. Minus into minus is plus. 47 2s is 94. Minus 3 into 3 is 9. 3 3s are 9 again. Minus into minus is plus. 4 2s are 8. Did I do somewhere a mistake? B1 C2 minus B2 C1. 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus. Yeah, that's correct. 3 3s are 9. Okay, 9 plus 8. Yeah, it's correct. Yeah. 94 minus 9. What is 94 minus 9?
85.
85. Divided by 17. 17 ones are 17. So
Yes, sir, got it.
I guess you left the denominator, I guess, Charan. Left the denominator part.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now it's correct. X is 5. Similarly, use the formula for y and find the value of y. Okay. Make it fast, guys. We'll do one more method. Yeah, good, Srisha. Good, good. Certain people have got it. Okay, good. So I hope it is finished for everyone. Okay. The next one is reducing it into standard form. Okay. I'll tell you what is that reducing into standard form, everything. Let's take a question so that you'll understand better. Okay. So let me take an easy question. This will be 26th one. This is called as reducing into standard form. 9 by x minus 4 by y equal to 8. 13 by x plus 7 by y equal to 101. Okay. Everyone please observe. So here I have to get this into the standard form. Why should we get it in the standard form? Can anyone tell me? What's the biggest difference between the previous question and this question? Question number, sir. Adike 25 itto, adike 26 ide. That is the biggest difference.
It's not in standard form, sir.
Sir, the x and y are in the denominators.
Okay, good.
And,
excellent. Both of you excellent. Okay. Excellent, excellent, Madhura. So the biggest difference is, you observe previous problems, all the x and y were in the numerator, but here it is in the denominator. So in standard form only x and y were in the numerator. They were not in the denominator. Okay. So, but they are in the denominator. You cannot solve it now. Okay. You cannot take LCM. LCM to solve madakagadilla. So what can be done? We have to get it into standard form. How can we do it? Just observe. Let me take this first equation. 9 by x. Can I write 9 by x as 9 into 1 by x? It's correct, right? 9 by x can be written as 9 into 1 by x. Multiply 9 ones are 9, x as it is, 9 by x. Similarly, minus 4 by y can be written as what? 4 into 1 by y. Am I right? So equal to 8. Now 13 by x can be written as what? Using the same logic, 13 by x can be written as
30
31
into
by x.
13 into 1 by x plus 7 by y can be written as 7 into 1 by y equal to 101. Simple, multiply ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ numerator ಮಾತ್ರ multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 7 answer 7. y as it is. Now if you have carefully observed, illu 1 by x ide, illu 1 by x ide. Here also you got 1 by y, here also you got 1 by y. So same things iddaga you can go for substitution. Adru badlige berena introduce ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ put 1 by x ಇರೋ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ u ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. Wherever 1 by y is there, I'll take it as y. Sorry, yeah, 1 by y I'll take it as b. I'm sorry. So wherever 1 by x is there, I'll take it as u. Wherever 1 by y is there, I'll take it as b. Okay. So I'm just giving substitution. We can do that, no problem. 1 by x ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ u ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 1 by y ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ b ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Now observe 9 1 by x is nothing but u minus 4 1 by y. 1 by y is nothing but v. 4v equal to 8. 13 into 1 by x. 1 by x is u. So 13u plus 7. 1 by y is v equal to 101. Now is this in standard form? Yes, it is in standard form. You correctly observe madre xy badlige uv anta ide. Standard form alli idya, numerator idya u matte v. Yes. So this is in standard form. You can solve it. How will you solve it? It's your wish. You can solve it by substitution method, elimination method, or cross multiplication. Any method, but please solve it by elimination itself. That will be easy. Okay. So since it is first problem, let me solve. How do you solve it by elimination method? The coefficients are not same, so we have to make it same. What is the LCM of 13 and 9? What is the LCM of 13 and 9? See, 13 is a prime number. Prime number jothe yavade number idrenu multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
17.
Sir, 117.
117. So LCM is equal to 117. So 9u minus 4v equal to 8 into 13. So that you get 117. 13u plus 7v equals 101 equal to 9. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಮತ್ತೆ 13 ಗೆ LCM ಏನು ಬಂತು 117. ಇದು 117 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ the entire thing should be multiplied by 13. ಇದು 117 ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ the entire thing should be multiplied by 9. Multiply 13 9s are 117. 13 4s are 52. 117u. I'm sorry. 117u minus 52v. 13 8s are 104. 13 9s are 117. 9 7s are 63. 909. Solve it. You have to change the sign. Minus, minus, minus. Plus irodella minus agutte. Minus irodella plus agutte. Gets cancelled. Il minus ide. The new sign is also minus. Both are minus. We have to add it. If you add it, you will be getting 105, I guess. If I am not wrong. 105 equal to minus 805. Yeah, is it correct? No, I guess. 100 is 809. 805 is correct, right?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Sir, it's minus
Sir, it's 115, sir.
Which one is 115?
Sir, 105. 52 plus 63.
Yeah. 115. I'm sorry. 115v equal to what will be this?
Minus 115, sir.
Minus 115v equal to minus
1013, sir.
yeah 805. Why is it 1013? We have to subtract it, right? Illi plus there, the new sign is minus. Both are different. You have to subtract it.
Sir, minus 805.
Yeah, minus 805. Therefore, v is equal to minus 805 divided by minus 115. Minus minus gets cancelled. Just check it out. 805 divided by 115. How much it comes? I guess sevens are, I guess. 115 sevens are 100 sevens are 700. 15 sevens are 105. Yeah, it comes 115 ones are 115 sevens are. Therefore, v value is 7. Now what you do is substitute this v value in any one of the equation. 9u minus 4v equal to 8 and the yellow. Otherwise substitute madi. It is same the elimination method. Last class, whatever we did, instead of u and x and y, we have got u and v. That's it. People who have not attended elimination method, check out in YouTube.
Sir, u is equal to 4.
U is equal to 4. Okay. Let's see. Just write down whatever I have found now. We have got it as 7. U, Adarsh has got it as 4. Please check it out. 7 4s are 28. That's a carry. Yeah, U is 4. That's correct. Till here, is there any confusion? Len madbekandre coefficients andre numbers ide alva adನ್ನ separate ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Split it. It's like expanding it. 9 by x can be written as 9 into 1 by x. 4 by y can be written as 4 into 1 by y. Similarly, do it for second one. Same ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Illu 1 by x, 1 by x. Take it as u. 1 by y, 1 by y. Take it as v. And you will get two equations which will be in terms of u and v. Solve for u and v. But what is our aim? Our aim is to bunk the class and enjoy. Not about that one. I'm asking in this problem, what is the aim? The aim is to find the value of x and y, but we have not found x and y. We have found v and u, but we have to find x and y. How will we find it? Simple, very simple. Please observe. V is equal to 7, but v is nothing but what? 1 by y. 1 by y is 7, but I want y. Andre ulta madbeku. Idನ್ನು ulta madidre 7 na ulta madidre 1 by 7 agutte. 7 can be written as 7 by 1, right? Both the sides I am reciprocaling. ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. 1 by y ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 7 by 1 ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Sorry, 1 by 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that's your y value. Similarly, do it for u. U is 1 by 4, but according to the substitution, u is nothing but 1 by x. 1 by x is equal to 4. 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Reverse it on both the sides. Therefore, x value is 1 by 4. So here x value is 1 by 7. Here it is 1 by 4. Is that clear for everyone? Let me give one more problem. Don't worry if you're not understanding, that's okay. Don't worry, don't panic. Okay, I'll just tell you what you have to do. How you're gonna solve it. Okay. Let me give one more question, 27th one. People who have understood and people who have solved it, try out this. Okay. Three by x minus 1 by y equal to 9 equal to minus 9. 2 by x plus 3 by y equal to 5. Please solve it. Try it out. Okay, good. Vishwas, good. Most of you have got the answers correctly. Good. Try out the 27th one. Okay, then let's solve it together. Let me ask someone. Smruti, I hope I pronounced it properly. Smruti, could you tell me what will be the first step? Smruti, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Smruti, could you tell me what will be the first step?
3 1 by x.
Okay, it's not 3 1 by x, 3 into 1 by x. That is how you have to say it. 3 1 by x ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ mixed fraction ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. So 3 into 1 by x, 3 into 1 by x minus 1 into 1 by y. Na simply you can write it as 1 by y itself equal to minus 9. 2 by x can be written as what, Smruti?
2 into 1 by x.
2 into 1 by x, excellent. Plus 3 by y can be written as 3 into 1 by y equal to 5. Okay, thank you, Smruti. Very good. Soumya, what will be the next step, Soumya? Soumya? Soumya, are you there? Okay, Pragati, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Pragati, tell me what will be the next step? What is this? Make it fast. Okay, Trisha, can you tell me what will be the next step, Trisha?
Sir, we have to put u in the place of 1 by x and v in the place of 1 by y.
Yeah, very good. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by x ಇದೆ, 1 by x ಇದೆ. 1 by x ನ u ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೂ 1 by y ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 1 by y ಇದೆ. 1 by y ನ v ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So 1 by x ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ u ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, 1 by y ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ v ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. So 3 1 by x ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ u ಹಾಕೋತೀವಿ, minus 1 by y ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ v ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. 3u minus v is equal to minus 9. 2 1 by x, 1 by x is u, 2u plus 3 into 1 by y, 1 by y is v equal to 5. Now solve it by elimination method and find the value of u and v. From here you have to solve it by elimination method and find the value of u, find the value of v. That's it, very simple. Okay, Madhura has given the answer. Let me check it out. Okay, Madhura. Let's see. Let's check it out, Madhura. Yogesh, do you know how to solve it by elimination method? ಇಲ್ಲಿ u value, v value elimination ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಂದ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ ಅದು? Please respond. Okay, Adarsh has got u as minus 9. Okay. And he's got v as 18.
Sorry, sir. U is 3. U is 3, not minus 9. U is 3.
I don't think so. U is also 3. Just check it out.
Minus 2.
Okay, let's see. 3 these are 9. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 these are 27. Minus 27, 5. Minus 22. Yeah, u is minus 2. What is v?
3, sir.
3. Yeah, v is 3. Yeah, that's correct. U value you should get it as minus 2 and v value you should get it as 3. xy ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. u ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? u is nothing but 1 by x. 1 by x is minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to 1 divided by minus 2. 1 divided by minus 2 na minus 1 by 2 antanu baribodu. So v is nothing but 1 by y. 1 by y is equal to 3. Y na ulta madare 1 by y na ulta madare y sigutte. So 3 nanu ulta madbekagutte, which is 1 by 3. Therefore, x is minus 1 by 2. Y is 1 by 3. Is that clear for everyone? Very simple. When do you go for this method? Whenever you are interested, isn't it? ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. It's not like that. Whenever the variables are in the denominator, x ಮತ್ತೆ y denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ, you have to go for this method. Okay, not the numbers. The numbers can be in the denominator. 2, 3, 4 ಅಂತ numbers denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, no problem. Okay, ಅವಾಗ LCM ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ variables denominator ಬಂದಿದೆ, x and y are in the denominator. Then you have to go for reducing it to standard form. That is in terms of u and v, then you have to find it. Okay, I hope it is clear. So that's it for the day, guys. The same type of problems will just continue in the next class. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
yeah, yeah, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah, welcome.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Sir,
Yes, Anika.
sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah, sure. Tell me, ma.
Sir, here by elimination method we have to subtract it, no, sir, or directly we can take like this.
Yeah, elimination method is basically subtracting it. Okay, ಎರಡು equation subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So which one do you want to eliminate now? U or V?
No, sir.
ಇವಾಗ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಯಾಕೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತನಾ? ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ 5 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. How much chocolate should I take from you? Subtracting is nothing but taking away, right? So how much chocolate should I take from you so that you will end up with 0 chocolate?
5.
All the 5, right? So andre ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋದು and what you lose both should be same quantity ಅಲ್ವಾ? 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಯು ನ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯು ಇದೆ? 3 ಯು ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ 2 ಯು ಇದೆ. 3 ಯು ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಯು ನ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಯು ಉಳ್ಕೊಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅವಾಗ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ಈ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲೂ 6u ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 6u ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ u ಒಟ್ಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬರೀ v ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir, that I got.
Okay.
Sir, by after subtracting, I got the value like minus 7v equals 3. That means minus 3.
Okay, okay. And I'm not thinking there is some mistake. Let's take it out. So here the coefficients are not same. You have to multiply by 2 here. Here you have to multiply by 3. So you get 6u minus 2v equal to minus 18. 6u plus 9v equal to 15. Is it correct or have you done any mistake? Just observe in this step.
It's correct, sir.
So change the sign. Both are same. Illu plus 6u there, illu plus 6u there. To subtract it, you have to change the sign. So it becomes gets cancelled. Here it doesn't become 7. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ. What about the new sign? The new sign is also minus. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, which means you have to add it. 9 plus 2 is 11. Minus 11. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು.
Okay.
ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ. The new sign is also minus. Both the signs are same. You have to add it. Minus 11 equal to, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ. The new sign is also minus. Both are same, so add it. 18 plus 15 is 33. The bigger number is 18, bigger number sign minus. Minus 11v equal to minus 33. Therefore, v is equal to minus 33 minus 11. 11 ones are 11 3. Bharat, Sanika?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye. Any other doubt? Pragati, Nisarga, Yogesh, or can I end the meeting?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome.